Hello everyone. Okay, so today I have a special question. Uh, our special question is coming from binary operations. Okay, so I want us to understand what we actually mean by when we say binary operations and how to tackle problems coming on this specific topic. Okay, so on the board with me I have total number of 1, 2, 3 questions. We're going to solve together and see how we're able to solve different kinds of questions on binary operations. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's quickly jump into the solutions. Let's see how we're finding the solutions. So, the solutions. Right, so the first question reads, given that x star b, all right, so this is the binary operation that we're talking about. It's a star in this case, is equal to x over y plus 1 over 2. Find the value of 3 over 2 star 2. All right, so what you need to know here, so it's question 1. So what you need to know is the x star y that you have, and you compare it. All right, so if you compare it to the second expression that has a star, which has the operation, so that is the one that side. Okay, so it's 3 over 2 star 2. So the meaning of this is the first number here, the first letter here. Okay, so if you look at this variable, it represents this one. And if you look at this variable here, it represents this one. So that's how it is. And this is very easy. Okay, so this is how we are going to be solving questions on this specific topic. So what are we saying? What we're saying is, given x star y is equal to x over y plus 1 over 2. It means that the value of x here is 3 over 2, whereby the value of x, the value of y I mean, is 2, like that. So it means that in this expression, in the place of x, we're going to be putting this number. In the place of y, we're going to be putting this number. And you simplify just like that, and you get your answer. So this is going to give us x, you have 3 over 2 over y, which is 2, right, plus 1 over 2. So this is very simple. From here, you know, understand. So this is 3 over 2, okay, then you multiply. This was 2 over 1, now it becomes 1 over 2, okay, plus 1 over 2. Then this is going to give us 3 times 1 is just a 3. This is giving us a 4 plus 1 over 2. The lowest common multiple here that we have is just a 4. The 4 here is 1. 1 times 3 is a 3 plus this one here is a 2. 2 times 1 is just a 2. Right? And this is going to give us a 5 over 4, which can be simplified further into decimals or a mixed fraction that we are going to prefer in this video. Okay, so this is 1 over 4. And you get your answer like that. Something very simple. For those that prefer decimal numbers, you understand. So this one can be written as 1.02, 1.25. Okay? Stuff like that. So you have to convert these to decimals. So this is how we solve questions. Now let's look at a different question, but on the same topic. Okay, just creating space. Let's see where is this one. So here now we're jumping on number 2. Oh, sorry. Try a different marker. So saying number 2, and let's read the question together as well. Given that x star y is this expression, find the value of 2 star 3. Okay, so what we have here is x star y is equal to x y squared, and we are asked to find the value of, we're asked to find the value of 2 star 3. Now I said in the first question to say this guy here is going to be representing this one, this one, this one, because you are comparing this expression that has an operation and also this one that has an operation. This part has no operation, so it means that you get this part with the operation and substitute into this part and get your final answer, just like that. It's as simple as that. So it means that what we're going to get from there now is x is 2 and y is 3. Okay, so that this is going to give us x, y power 2, and from here now we get x, which is a 2, and this is going to give us a 9. Okay, then the final answer becomes 18. That's pretty easy. So I doubt if there's anyone that is not understanding the concept here. Okay, let's see how we're solving this third part. Now, interestingly, here we're using a different operation, and that's a triangle. So given that triangle is defined by the set of real numbers, okay, so these are real numbers, R is defined on the set of real numbers R by this expression here. So you have this equation that A triangle B is equal to B squared minus A squared, everything over 2AB, where A, B are never 0. Because you should understand to say, if any of these is 0, it's going to give us something that is undefined. So A and B are real numbers. Find the value of -1/2 triangle 2. So here what we have is A triangle B equal to B squared minus A squared over 2AB. Alright? Then we're asked to find the value of -1/2 triangle 2. So now you compare, you find that this first variable here is this one, and this second one is this one. So you should understand, just from here you should say A is equal to -1/2 and B is equal to 2. Then you substitute this in this expression that you've been given. It is as easy as that. Right? So what we are going to have now, it's going to be 2 squared minus -1/2 squared over 2 A -1/2 times B, which is a 2. Alright? Simplifying this one further, what are you going to get? If you have to simplify this one further, you understand that this is going to give us a 4. Alright, so we're getting a 4 minus, so we start with the brackets. Remember BODMAS. So this guy and this one, since it's a square, so we're getting a positive number. So this one on top, indices, so this one on top, it's just a 1, that one down is a 4, over. Now, if you multiply 2 and a half, it means that you're just getting a -1, because this one will cancel with this one. So that is going to be -1. A -1 times a 2, we're getting a -2. Alright? Then this one, what are we going to get? So I discovered this one the LCM here is 4, so it's 4, 1 there, 4, 16, right? Then 16 minus 4 into this one is just 1, 1. So this one on top is giving us this, okay? Then divide by, so divide by negative 2, okay? So this is going to give us a 15 over 4. You multiply now here, minus, this is 2 over 1, so it will be 1 over 2 like that. Do you understand? Then from here now you understand to say this is going to be negative 15 over 8. Okay, so this is the answer that you are going to arrive at. So you can as well simplify this answer into a fraction. So it is going to be a mixed fraction. So this is going to be 1, negative 1, 7 over 8. And this is going to be our final answer. Cheers.